Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and in version 2.3 it's possible to avoid such build-ups when you use a tool in stamp mode. Okay. So first, it only works with a layer tool. So only layer tool is possible to do this. And here you find in the settings, you find the lock radius option here. And I use a flat fall off to show the thing here. And so, no, 100%. Okay, so I stamp here and you see here the build up. Like this. Okay, and to avoid this, you have to use a layer. So add a layer. So, and now it works. So no build up. So let's use a little bit of higher poly count. Okay. And the important checkbox is this checkbox here, use layer data or data. So now build up is again here, and so this checkbox and no build up. Okay, and so let's see. It's not a nice alpha, but you get the idea. Yeah, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.